Hello there, my tulips. Welcome back to my channel. It is yours truly, Miss Bliss. Hey. So yes, this is another Friday's favorite. Y'all are going to clean my bathroom with me, and I'm going to clean some Palmolive dish detergent in my bathroom. Yes, girl, in my bathroom. So I got this idea because I was watching a video and I saw where a young lady used Dawn in her bathroom and it did an awesome job. And so I wanted to try it out with Palmolive instead because that's what I had on hand. So in order to accomplish this, I'm going to use my handy dandy turbo scrub. I absolutely love this finger majiggy. I do suffer with back issues, but the good thing about this turbo brush, it has an extension to it, so I don't have to bend completely down and hurt my back and hurt my knees. So you guys saw what my shower looks like. It's very teeny, but it's just enough space for me. It really doesn't get that dirty because I'm not here on a daily basis, but I do get hard water and need to give my shower a good scrubbing. So as you guys can see, I'm going in and I'm most certainly cleaning my shower. So I did pour Dawn all throughout it, although you guys may not have been able to tell, but I absolutely did. And I followed up with some water just so my brush can have something to give it a little bit more of a smoothness to really do the cleaning. By the way, if you're new here, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I greatly appreciate it. Hit that bell's notification so that you will be alerted of new videos, and give this video a really big thumbs up. Anyway, so I'm just going in like you would normally with my turbo scrub brush. Y'all, it has about 3 different heads. However, I have this one that I like specifically because it allows me to do a lot as far as being able to clean multiple types of surfaces. So I like that I can use it on the chrome in my shower, and I also like that I can use it on the glass of my shower. But it is loud. You guys will get the opportunity to hear how loud it is. That part of it I don't like. It doesn't run by batteries. You just charge it up into your wall. Once it's completely charged, it's good to go. Now, depending upon how often you clean, you may not have to charge it every week. I don't do this type of deep cleansing with this brush every week, so the charges last me actually a couple of months. It's probably time for me to charge it again now. To get a turbo brush like this, it's very affordable. I definitely bought mine for about 30 bucks, and it could have been less than that because it's been a few years ago that I purchased it, and I believe I caught it on sale. However, I do know Amazon sells it, but it's quite expensive. But they do have a knockoff version of it, and I'm pretty sure you can get the same benefits. But anywho, the turbo scrub does the work for you with the touch of a button. The portable handheld scrubber provides 300 revolutions per minute of superior cleaning power. Y'all, this thing is extremely lightweight. It's not heavy at all. You can clean almost anything. You can clean grout, towel, tubs, glass, kitchens, bathrooms, cars, patio furniture, and whatever else that you may have. I have used it on my floor, not my hardwood floor, but I didn't get the look that I was going for. It did not give me that deep cleaning I was hoping to get. I do have these really bad stains in my floor. I guess bottom line is I need to replace my towel, but as far as getting it clean, smooth, and all of that, superior, no complaint at all. Anyway, you guys, that concludes everything that I have for today's video. If you like these types of videos, please let me know down in the description box below. If you have a turbo scrubber, let me know what your thoughts are about it. Do you like it or not? Anyway, you guys, see you tulips in the next one. Enjoy the remainder of the video. Smooth cheese. Mwah.